Seth and Colleen, the stigma associated with Alzheimer's disease can destroy what's left of the victim's life. Often they're so worried about what people will think that they cut off contact with their loved ones completely and attempt to hide their symptoms, sometimes even from their own doctor. But an Alzheimer's diagnosis doesn't necessarily mean the end of independence for the patient. And for family members and friends, knowing the early warning signs to look for can make a huge difference. Nurse practitioner Amy Stump sees the struggles of Alzheimer's patients firsthand and says fear of change is often one of their biggest concerns when it comes to telling family and friends.
The patients are aware that they do have some cognitive thought process different than what they used to have, and it can be very scary to them. And so instead of talking about it, they will hide it from their physicians, they'll hide it from their loved ones. They don't want to change their life, number one, but also it could prevent them from living in their own home and move them into a nursing home, which is something they don't want to do.
They don't want people to see that they're not able to function in the way that they knew they could in the past. They're very uncomfortable with letting people know that they're losing their ability to think as clearly and make decisions and even communicate. And so they withdraw. And when they withdraw, they become isolated. And it's terrible.
But an Alzheimer's diagnosis doesn't have to mean the end of independence.
You can definitely still live alone as long as you put some safety measures in place.
She suggests that staying organized is the key to maintaining some of that freedom.
Structure is very important. Using clocks, using calendars to write down the dates and the times of things so it helps you remember. Those are things that can allow you to stay in your home and live independently for a longer period of time.
Experts say if you suspect your loved one might be hiding symptoms, there are some signs you can be on the lookout for, like difficulty remembering names and recent events, depression, confusion with time or place, and difficulty speaking, swallowing, and walking. There are several local resources that can help families out too, and we'll have some of those links on our website, nebraska.tv. Seth and Colleen, back to you.